Here's how to eject USB drives on Chromebook. USB drives are considered the best way to transfer your media files and data from one device to another, avoiding any hassle. However, while ejecting the USBs, users have to be diligent while taking them out of their devices, as their files are likely to be corrupted permanently. While this is relevant on Windows and Mac devices, including Chromebooks, since they don't make inserted USBs visible in their UI, don't worry, as GadInsider has compiled a step-by-step guide of how to safely eject a USB from a Chromebook. Follow these steps to smoothly eject a USB from the Chromebook, eliminating the issues. Firstly, launch the Files app on your Chromebook, and users can also do it while selecting the icon while browsing for it in the launcher if it isn't pinned to the shelf. Your USB drive's name is present over the Files app. Users can also tell it apart from different save areas, as it already includes a USB icon to the left of the name and an eject button present to the right of the USB drive's name. Click on the eject button from the side of the USB drive's name. It vanishes from the Files app along with the hardware lights on the drive switch off. If the lights don't turn off, then try it once again until it adequately disappears from the Files app. Now remove the drive from the Chromebook.